That is just heaven.
So I took a trip to Nature's Spa. It was this hot spring right next to a river, and it was the most soul rejuvenating experience I have had in a very long time. And I wanted to share it on the internet, and I wanted to share it as an inspiration to anyone out there who is seeking healing or more out of life or beauty or just some sort of spark. Nature is there. Nature is there, and it is free. And you don't even have to have a fancy special hot spring. You can literally go out to the forest on a walk, and I had such an incredible time doing a cold plunge, hot plunge, having a spa in nature. And I just wanted to share this experience with you. I made this experience happen for myself. I chose to take time to create this experience by seeking out this hot spring, seeking out a cabin to stay at, spending my time and energy, money that I've earned on this cabin, on this excursion, on this experience. And that is what life is about. You can make it happen. Take baby steps. If you can't afford it right now, go do something to get yourself on that path. You can take a baby step today. Do you love to travel? Do you love to be outdoors? Do you love to cook? What do you love? Take one little step towards it today. I created this. I chose this experience for myself, and you can create the life of your dreams too. I'm cold plunging in the most freezingest river, and it felt amazing. I felt so good. And so here is the rest of my spa experience, and I hope this inspires you. I hope this lights you up to do what you love. I got some volcanic scrub, a volcanic soil scrub, exfoliator. Amazing. This is so amazing. We're here at the hot springs. We've got a cold plunge pool. We've got a hot pool. We've got our all-natural organic exfoliator. I'm sure it's full of all sorts of good stuff. This pool is so warm and so like shallow. Perfect. Okay, here's inside the spring. And there's some natural clay. So I'm gonna do a clay mask with some of this natural clay here. Like, how incredible is this? Civvy's paid thousands for this. So, I'm putting clay on my face. Literally fresh clay from the earth. I have a little tiny jar of clay at my house that I paid like $20 for. It's literally the same exact stuff. So it's just so cool, like having a real, just natural spa. It truly is so rejuvenating. Hey, mister. My soul feels so, full from this experience. And it just feels so right. It's so natural. It's so rejuvenating. And I feel so blessed to be here and have this just experience. Hi. Hi. How are you? So yeah, I've had a cold plunge, I've had a hot spring, I've had natural exfoliant. I've had a clay mask. All that's missing is a massage. All that's missing is a massage.
Yeah. Well,
that's a no. That's a no. Abundance is simple. And it is so much more than what you've been taught that it is. Abundance is not just money. Abundance is your freedom within your body. Abundance is your joy. Abundance is your enjoyment of life and your interaction with life. Abundance is this interaction between you and the universe. It is co-creation. Abundance is enjoying every step of the way. And nature is this perfect example of abundance. If you go out in nature, even if you just go out in a park, you can just see all of the magic there. And it's for you. Okay, so my clay mask is drying, getting the full experience. I just want to say my skin is the softest it's felt, I think, ever. It's amazing. My skin is like the softest it's ever felt. I feel so good. I really feel truly rejuvenated from this experience. So I'm gonna go enjoy it some more. Yeah, if you have hot springs anywhere near you, I would highly, highly, highly recommend to put it on your list of things to experience, because I truly feel like my soul has been nourished by this. Post nature spa day. Still got some dirt on me, but that's good. Still got it all over, actually. Stop eating clay. This just feels amazing. So, we're out. We're now getting our clothes on, getting back to our home base. But this has been so incredible. And it truly is. This is where spas come from. This is where spas come from, this completely natural, completely free experience. It's so amazing. I hope this video has inspired you to go outside, to witness the absolute abundance that is here all around us, and to create the life of your choosing, because you are worthy of it, and it is out there waiting to happen for you. Spring. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.